Hey guys, another Carpenter Steve episode. I'm on the road. I'm actually in Grass Valley, California. Today I'm gonna try to make my way to Lake Tahoe. That'd be cool. My dad used to be there all the time. But I wanted to have you check out this cool nature trail that I'm on. This is the kind of stuff that's everywhere. I just stopped off the highway and look at this. It's amazing. We have some of this stuff in Kansas, but not so much of it or so readily available. And all these huge trees, major huge trees that are around here. I'm gonna show you this one right here. Look at this guy right here. Here's the base. Now that is a tree. Anyway, all right guys, I'm gonna get back on the road. See you later.